Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. As promised, I did remember, it's late, but the kitchen scales, the Vont kitchen scales, I drew a winner and it was Sue Ritchie. Sue, if you would send me an email at deepsouthhomestead@gmail.com with your address, that would be great. And I will get the kitchen scales out to you probably this week. So thank you guys for participating, and I'm really tired. It's hot. I've been to town today and Walmart was a nightmare. And guys, this one of the stores I went in didn't even have air on today. Their air conditioner was out, so I'm burning up. And I've been outside feeding animals, so I thought I'd run in, do this video. So Sue Ritchie, you are the winner of the scales. And thank you, Vont, for sending me scales to give away, because these things really do come in handy in the kitchen. I've been weighing stuff up and I'm really liking it, that it's so versatile and you can just slide it in a drawer. So guys, thank you, good night, and we'll talk to you later from Crazy Days.